Hi, I'm Papa Shorty, and I'm here today with URGENEX to talk about their 3S battery. Let's get on the overhead, get a better look at it, and go into better detail. Okay, let's get a look at these batteries. We get our thank you note, our user's manual. Always recommend you read it if you haven't, and if you have, read it again. We get stickers now, and we get two XT60 batteries. Let me move this aside and get some more details on it for you. As you can see, we get two 2200 milliamp batteries, 50C discharge, 3S 11.1 volt. We get an XT60 connector and 3S balancing port. Each battery comes in at 135 grams or 4.76 ounces. It measures out to 72 by 34 by 26 millimeters. Okay, let's get batteries in this truck and get us a little run video. Now that our body's off, let's go ahead and get a battery in here. Now I like to have them up front, especially in a crawler, because that's where you want all your weight. As you can see, there's no fit or reach issues with the battery cables. Although I did change connectors, I didn't change the length. As soon as we get the body back on, we'll hit the trails. As always, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and there will be a link for the product in the description section. Have a great one.